What will we make today, Raj?
We are making Mirchi Bajji. So we just found in Europe in supermarkets you get these kind of chilies which has the same flavor as Indian chilies that we use for Mirchi Bajji. So we are gonna make Mirchi Bajji for the first time, and we are also making it with onion and eggs as well, boiled eggs.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can't wait, man. It's so good. It's such a good snack actually. It's like a great hack though. This is how we found puff pastries in the supermarket, and we started making egg puff now. Whenever we want, we can make egg puff. So the next one is to make Mirchi Bajji as a snack as often as we can, because winters are longer here. Yeah.
So many.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay, now try.
Hmm.
We are just discussing what cup to use.
Yeah.
Where is the purple on this one? Is this a good enough cup?
Yeah,
It's,
maybe.
maybe it's okay. I don't know. This is too much? I'm not sure. Definitely too much, I think. Or we can do 2 cups of that, right? What is it done?
I think so. I was not counting for how long we're boiling.
I mean, maybe we can boil because it has to be hard boiled or something.
Yeah, because Raj hates when an egg is like not fully hard inside.
Yeah. So now we are taking gram flour. You can get it in supermarkets from Indian stores. And we are using 100 grams first to check if this is good enough.
Yay!
Maybe a little bit more. We do 200 grams maybe.
Oh, he made a disaster. See, guys, what he did.
So now we are adding rice flour to add some crispiness for the dough. Boom. Now Kashmiri chili is good enough.
Wow, nice.
That gives a bright
Add
color.
the color, yeah.
We'll add a little bit of ajwain to it.
So I thought that he's had all the spices till here, but he already took everything out. So I was not sure whether he did it, so I was looking for him, and he scolded me. Yeah. Yeah. Now we need some drinking water, right?
Yep.
For this mixture, the dry one, yeah.
And then we mix, and then that's all.
Yeah. Now we are looking for
See, is this the
baking
one,
soda.
right?
Yeah, this is the one. Yeah. Yeah, because like I know this packaging, and then he said no, there's another one that is already open. And he was freaking out like, oh no, be careful. Yeah, but yeah, that was the open one, not this one.
So is the old one good enough? I don't know, right?
Oh, expiry date? No, it's 2024. Don't use it. No, it's some old one. Yeah, so we need to open the new one then.
Oh yeah, 2028, yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
We have one muttai here for frying. Right? I said correctly, muttai?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So Raj will cut it.
And onion, as we said.
And how is onion in Tamil?
Vengayam.
Vengayam. Yeah. The best way to learn Tamil maybe while cooking. So Raj got distracted by talking to me, and he cut the onion wrongly.
Yeah, I should have cut it in the middle, but rather I freaking cut it wrongly now.
It's okay, it still will be tasting the same, I believe.
Yeah. Now we have to pour water slowly and mix it. Make sure lumps are not formed and make a good paste. It shouldn't be too watery, at the same time it shouldn't be too much like a thick thingy. So,
but you have experience. I mean, Raj likes to make pizza once a while, so he has experience in making the dough like more smooth, I believe.
yeah, and see the Kashmiri chili is giving the color.
Oh, it is already giving the color.
Darkness.
Oh yeah.
You see, now it's too thick.
Oh yeah, now it's darker. Oh yeah.
And also it's too thick, but we kind of have to make it a little bit diluted. A little bit of water and break the lumps off and...
Okay.
Do you see the smell?
Smell? I know. I don't smell anything.
Come here and smell it.
I mean, kind of. I don't know. I don't know how to describe the smell though.
Yeah, it's like a more like a chana dal's powder smell with some little bit of spices.
Maybe, yeah. Like actually, it has a mild smell. Like I cannot even tell much how it smells like. Maybe after frying, yeah, but at this point, I actually expected a stronger smell considering. Yeah, it's an Indian thing, like especially South Indian, right? So yeah.
Yeah, but in taste wise, you will feel this.
Yeah.
So you have to add water. I mean, you don't have to say you don't know, man. You of course don't know.
Yeah, but that's the point that I'm seeing and I'm commenting what I see.
Of course, you do not know.
Is it really all?
Yeah, that's all. See how much time it took to make.
Yeah.
Like 5-10 minutes.
Okay, fine.
See, it floats up. That means it's ready. In fact, too ready. So maybe let's put it in lower flame. Should we do the chili first?
Yeah.
Or you wanna do? Okay,
I would like the chili.
Yeah, chili first. Okay. So we dip it nicely. Let it have a generous coat. See, guys, nice generous coat. Now bring near it, and that's all. Here goes the next one. Oh yeah, awesome! Wow!
Whoa!
Now you can do the onions too. Just soak the onions in, and then once you soak it, come near it and just drop it here. And now let it fry and let's keep a close eye on it.
Yeah. Very cool experience.
Yeah. See, it's so awesome, right? It looks so awesome, man.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, see? It's awesome looking, right? Wow, man, we did it. Mirchi Bajji. Oh, it's a nightmare without knowing how to use a chopstick, man. Oh yeah. Now. Oh my god. I'm gonna do it the old school way. This is the easiest way.
Nice.
That's all. Wow, man. It's so nice to see, you know. And you guys can put it in medium flame and then fry it. Because if you put it in too high flame, the outer part will become crispy quick and it will start burning, and the inner side is still raw. So that's another tip.
And now Polish wife will try with the chopsticks to move it on the other side. Let's see. Oh no!
Maybe try the onion. Maybe try the onion.
This is onion?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, onion work, but egg is falling
That's
apart.
also egg, but that's fine. The thing is,
work.
the reason was I just put it now. That's why.
Okay.
Can you just put it inside? Just
Yeah.
slowly. That's all. Let it be.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah, we fixed our mistakes. Yeah, you can try these ones. The ones that are browner.
Yeah, even that. Yeah. No, the other things should be fine because they're. Yeah.
Can you do the chili, please? Because it's been a while. It's tricky. Wait.
No, it's okay.
Fine.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Wow.
Actually.
You're doing it.
Yay!
Almost destroyed the egg, but it's fine. But other than that, rest of it we got everything right.
Yeah. I'm
First
happy.
attempt.
Yeah.
And it's coming along really well, man. Wow. It's so simple, right? It took just half an hour.
Should I put it already there?
No, because this is the first time you flipped, right? The back side is still raw.
Okay.
You see what I mean?
Makes sense. Yes, maybe to put. Yeah.
Olivia, now it's your turn to remove them from the pan and put it in the tissue paper. From here, it should go there. Let's go.
Yeah. So first the chili.
Yeah, go for it. And shake it a bit. Wiggle it.
Shaking it a bit. Okay.
Awesome.
This is all I can do.
Awesome, that's all.
Yeah, it was not bad. Okay, next. This is
You did
for
it
the
so
onion.
easy though.
Yeah, I guess my sushi experience that I have from time to time. Even though this is not really how you're supposed to hold the chopsticks. But if it works, then it works. Oh, this is the part in it. Oh no, for smaller things it works.
Yeah, I know.
Choose the sushi way, maybe here. Maybe for
Yeah, go
egg.
for it.
No, eggs, I don't know.
Oh, okay, take the
again,
other one.
same
Take the other one.
Okay.
Nicely coated. Take your time,
Yeah,
there's no hurry.
yeah.
Go for it. See this side, this
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
I would rather dip it again. Slowly, gently place it. Awesome. Wow. Pro.
Yeah.
Yeah, try the onion now for a easier.
Okay, yeah.
They're nicely coated.
Yeah, just press it slightly. Yeah,
Awesome. Now
that's all,
gently
yeah.
place it in somewhere far away. You should place far away, man.
Yeah, but okay,
You
yeah.
just literally
And
place.
are you happy now?
Yeah. Jesus. You just took it and put it all the chili. I was like, why, man? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now the last one. Let's go. Place it. Awesome.
Oh,
Awesome.
yeah. Oof. Yeah.
Chef Olivia.
Recent one, so yeah.
Ah.
And now will be the reward finally, the moment of truth.
Yeah, hold it in the center. Yeah, not
Yeah.
the tip. Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, perfect. How is it?
It's not spicy at all. Like not at all spicy. Because it's European chili, not Indian one. So yeah, it's not spicy. It's good.
Yeah, it's like, actually, good though. Really good.
Yeah.
Also, try the onion ones.
Mm-hmm.
We are both gonna try the onion.
Yeah. I like it. Yeah, very awesome snack. Yeah.
Yeah,
Actually,
strangely not spicy, right?
yeah, it's not at all. I thought it because it's European spicy. Yeah, spicy. Yeah, European spicy and European chili. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching and keep following us for more cooking
Indian stuff.
journey. Yeah. Okay, one chili was spicy at the end actually. So yeah. So mostly it's not spicy, but then one surprise happened. Just as a by the way.